You do not have enough Shiba Inu. Coinbase is sending the last warning. Over $1 billion of US dollars are at risk now. This is too expensive to fail. Just today, Shiba Inu developers gave out the missing piece of the puzzle. Everything aligns together now. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today started with a mysterious tweet from Lucy, a key member of the Shiba Inu team. She tweeted, "Good morning. Forget mistakes. Forget failure. Forget everything except what you're going to do now and do it. Today is your lucky day." At first glance, it seems like a motivational quote, something to lift your spirits and get you focused on the present. But coming from Lucy, and especially with how cryptic the Shiba Inu team can be, there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's break it down. Forget mistakes. Forget failure. It sounds like a call to put the past behind you, not to dwell on setbacks, which is relevant in the crypto world where things can be volatile. Forget everything except what you're going to do now and do it. This part could be signaling that the time for action is right now, whether it's personal or related to the project itself. But here's the bombshell. Today is your lucky day. That phrase immediately grabbed the community's attention. It's not something Lucy would throw out there casually. What could she mean by lucky day? Is there an upcoming announcement? A major development within the Shiba Inu ecosystem? Or maybe it's a hint at a surprise event. The possibilities are endless, and the tweet leaves a lot to the imagination. And what makes this even more exciting is that just yesterday, Satoshi Kusama himself told the public to be ready for a very interesting week ahead. And with Lucy's tweet today, it feels like something big is building up. The timing couldn't be more suspicious, leaving the community buzzing with anticipation. Naturally, that phrase, "today is your lucky day," sent the community into a frenzy. It made everyone feel like something major was on the horizon. The tweet ignited a wave of excitement, with people feeling like they're on the verge of a major breakthrough in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With the ups and downs in the market, Lucy's tweet offers a sense of hope, fueling curiosity and anticipation. It's safe to say that right now, the Shiba Inu community is on high alert, ready for whatever might come next. But Shiba Inu isn't the only exciting thing happening today. Behind the scenes, Bitcoin is making some wild moves, and we know how crucial it is to keep an eye on that. Shiba Inu has always been sensitive to Bitcoin's movements, especially the big ones. And what's happening with Bitcoin right now could either make Shiba Inu's upcoming announcement explode in a way we've never seen before, or it could make things really tough for the Shiba Inu developers. So what's going on? Well, according to market analyst Will Clemente, there's been a huge spike in trading activity for Bitcoin. Over $1 billion in contracts have been opened on Bitcoin perpetual futures in just the last day. This surge means the market is definitely paying attention, with more interest and more positions being taken on Bitcoin. But here's the catch. There's growing speculation that we could be on the verge of a sudden flush in the market. Basically, short-term volatility may be about to hit, which could cause a lot of turbulence before Bitcoin makes any further gains. Clemente's analysis suggests that this influx of large contract positions could lead to a significant pullback. When the market sees a big reversal, these positions often get liquidated, causing a spike in volatility. This is something we need to keep in mind, because if Bitcoin does pull back, it could create a ripple effect throughout the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. And now, given this new context, things start to look a bit more uncertain for Shiba Inu. If Bitcoin experiences a sharp dip or sudden volatility, it could dampen the momentum of any big announcements from the Shiba Inu team. On the flip side, if Bitcoin steadies itself or even rallies, it could amplify whatever Shiba Inu has in store, pushing things to the next level. It's a tense moment where the outcome is hard to predict, but one thing is certain. Shiba Inu's fate might be more closely tied to Bitcoin's next move than we realize. Right now, the entire crypto space feels like it's on the edge of something big, and Shiba Inu is right in the middle of it. Whether it's going to ride the wave or face challenges ahead depends a lot on how this Bitcoin situation plays out. But how can we really predict what's going to happen this week? Well, the first thing we need to do is look at other factors, because it would be silly to make conclusions based on just one thing, like the spike in Bitcoin's trading activity. While that's important, relying solely on it would give us a narrow view of the situation. While the surge in Bitcoin futures trading might be a signal of big moves ahead, it's just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to consider other factors, and this is where things get interesting. The Coinbase premium ratio is deep in the red, while Bitcoin's price is surging again. This rare combination could be a sign of serious buying pressure on Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, according to an analyst named Avocado On-Chain. Today, the Coinbase premium metrics dropped to multi-week lows. That, paired with Bitcoin's mini-rally, shows optimism among investors on Binance. The analyst points out that this could be the start of something big for Bitcoin. As FOMO spreads globally, we might see a significant Bitcoin rally. Essentially, when the Coinbase premium is negative, but Bitcoin's price isn't dropping, it suggests that while the US-based market, Coinbase, is cooling off, Binance buyers are pushing the price up. But here's where things get really groundbreaking. As one Twitter user pointed out, institutions are no longer aggressively shorting Bitcoin. CME futures net positions have declined by 75% over the past 5 months. This is huge because it could signal that institutions are backing off from betting against Bitcoin, which might mean they're expecting a rally. But as always with crypto, things get more complicated. While this drop in institutional shorting points to an upcoming Bitcoin rally, there's a lot of chatter about how much more growth Bitcoin can realistically have this year. Bitcoin has already had an impressive run, and many people think it might be near its peak for 2024. That's where the conversation around altcoins comes into play. When people feel like Bitcoin has already done its thing, they start shifting their attention and money towards altcoins, hoping to catch the next big wave. And here's something that adds another layer to the mix. Peter Schiff, the famous Bitcoin critic, tweeted his usual criticism of Bitcoin today. But in a funny twist, Lola, a prominent Shiba Inu community member, jumped in and suggested that Schiff may have missed his chance with Bitcoin, but still has time to invest in Shiba Inu. She joked that, "You missed Bitcoin, but you have time to get Shiba Inu. You'll be laughing with us later." This reflects a growing sentiment that Shiba Inu and other altcoins could be the next big opportunity. And it all starts to make sense now. Shiba Inu has been on an impressive streak, recording 4 straight days of gains, with the token appreciating nearly 9% during this period. This rebound has sparked fresh optimism, with bullish sentiments and analysis making a strong comeback. Shitoshi Kusama, the lead developer, has been particularly vocal, reminding everyone that the team's vision is to turn Shiba Inu into the first ever trillion-dollar decentralized entity. To reach a $1 trillion market cap, Shiba Inu's price would have to erase 2 zeros and surge by over 11,700%. That sounds like a massive leap, and while many might think it's impossible, investors are still piling in, as shown by the rise in new wallets holding Shiba Inu by 10,000 people. And now, putting this all into perspective, Lucy's mysterious tweet about today being a lucky day, the increasing trading activity on Bitcoin, and the signs of strong buying pressure on Binance, it's clear something big is brewing. Shiba Inu seems to be standing at the crossroads of a perfect storm. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.